So check it out. I got out my Marx E7 Train of Tomorrow this evening. I know I made a video in the past when I finished this last year, but I wanted to make a new video because now it's been upgraded with an MRC 1815 soundboard in it. The 1815 soundboard has the proper 567 prime mover that was in the E7. So we got it installed, we got the speaker in there, of course we got two 19-volt LEDs from Evan Designs lighting the way, and we have the 4 cars named as the originals were. There's Stardust and Dream Cloud and Moonglow and Skyview. Of the 4, only Moonglow, the observation car, still exists, although I guess it's in pretty deplorable shape, but I have heard that it's going to be restored, which would be pretty cool. Of course, the Train of Tomorrow was a joint venture between General Motors and Pullman. Pullman introduced the Astrodome cars, and General Motors introduced the E7, and it toured the country from like 1945 through 47. It was quite popular. There were numerous orders before this train even hit the rails, and then Union Pacific bought the original set. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can hear the MRC 1815 soundboard. My transformer only has a whistle control on it, so I won't be able to do the bell, but we'll still check it out. It sounds pretty cool. Always amazes me how bright Marx passenger cars are, especially for vintage cars. So anyway, the MRC 1815 soundboard is still pretty reasonably priced. You can find them on eBay or you can find them online. I bought them for about 36 bucks. Got this one from Trainz. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.